Did you know that peppermint essential oil can actually help prevent road rage? A randomized controlled trial from 2023 found that the scent of peppermint reduces aggressive driving behaviors in healthy adults. That's right. This versatile essential oil is a natural remedy that can help calm your nerves and keep your temper in check. Hey, wellness enthusiasts! Welcome to Essential Oils 101, where we learn about essential oils, their wellness benefits, and how to use them. Today, we're taking a fragrant journey into the world of peppermint essential oil. We're going to uncover the science behind this incredible plant, explore its various species, and discover why Japanese peppermint is the ultimate hair growth elixir. Plus, we'll create some amazing diffuser blends to help you relax and recharge. Make sure to watch to the end for my favorite tips and tricks. Peppermint, if you didn't know, is a hybrid of watermint and spearmint. But did you know that there are over 25 different species of peppermint? Each has its unique chemical composition and therapeutic properties. The most commonly used in essential oil production are Japanese peppermint, species name Mentha arvensis, often prized for having the highest menthol content, making it ideal for hair growth and creating refreshing products. English peppermint, species name Mentha piperita, known for its balanced flavor and aroma. It's widely used in culinary applications and is popular with gardeners. American peppermint, species name Mentha piperita L. Popular for its medicinal properties, it's often used in alternative medicine preparations. Please pardon the interruption because you're definitely going to want to hear this. I am absolutely obsessed with high heels, but I refuse to suffer for my art. I started using Vivian Leigh insoles 4 years ago. Now they're in every pair of heels I own. Let's not talk about how many there are. The science behind how they work is fascinating. They don't just cushion your soles, they actually shift your weight to prevent the pain. If you want to try Vivian Leigh insoles for 20% off, check the link in the description. If you're like me, you can email them to buy in bulk. Let me say that I sincerely appreciate you for supporting my shoe habit. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Let's talk about some of the most useful benefits of peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil may help with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, indigestion, nausea, and spasms during medical procedures. It may also help with bloating, abdominal pain, and fullness. If you suffer from tension headaches, reach for the peppermint bottle. Try applying a drop to each temple and the nape of the neck when a headache first begins. Make sure your skin is already protected by some type of moisturizer. Peppermint oil's cooling properties help to relieve the itching and inflammation caused by bug bites, poison ivy, and hives. It's a must-have for warmer weather. Peppermint oil may also help with coughs and colds, muscle aches, joint pain, and fever. Needless to say, peppermint essential oil should be one of the go-to oils in your collection. Now on to something most of us care about deeply, hair growth. Research shows that peppermint oil can significantly increase hair growth by stimulating hair follicles, increasing blood flow to nourish those follicles, and keeping your hair in its growth cycle for longer. Some research has even shown it to be as effective as minoxidil for regrowing hair. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. You can potentially grow thicker, longer hair naturally with the power of this little green plant. As we mentioned before, the primary active ingredient in peppermint essential oil is menthol, which has powerful analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. It also stimulates the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making and impulse control. This is why peppermint oil can be so effective in reducing stress and anxiety. Try inhaling peppermint directly from the bottle or from a cotton ball when you're feeling stressed or anxious. It can make a difference in a matter of seconds. But that's not all. Peppermint oil has been shown to interact with neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play a crucial role in mood regulation. And here's a mind-blowing fact. It can even influence hormone receptors, helping to balance your endocrine system. The endocrine system is the master control of all of your hormones, making peppermint an essential ally in your quest for health and wellness. Beyond mental and emotional well-being, peppermint oil has also garnered attention for its potential to enhance physical performance. Studies have shown that inhaling peppermint oil can improve exercise performance by increasing alertness, reducing perceived pain and exertion, and potentially boosting endurance. You could also try applying a drop behind each ear before your workout. Make sure you're already wearing moisturizer. If not, apply a drop of your favorite carrier oil first. Peppermint is a versatile oil that blends well with a variety of other essential oils, including lemon balm, also called melissa, rosemary, eucalyptus, spruce, cedar, pine, and all citrus essential oils. For a calming and uplifting blend, try combining peppermint with lavender and chamomile. For an energizing and invigorating blend, pair it with lemon and grapefruit. Here are a few diffuser blend recipes featuring peppermint essential oil. Calm and focus. 3 drops peppermint, 3 drops lavender, and 1 drop Roman chamomile. Energy boost. 3 drops peppermint, 2 drops lemon, and 1 drop Norway spruce. As a disclaimer, never apply essential oils directly to skin without proper dilution. Never ingest essential oils unless directed by a practitioner. Essential oils should be seen as complementary therapy and not a cure-all for every medical condition. Peppermint essential oil is truly a gift from nature. Its ability to promote hair growth, improve mental clarity, and reduce stress makes it a must-have in any wellness arsenal. I encourage you to experiment with different peppermint blends and discover the many delights of this useful herb. So, did you learn something new today? That's exactly why this channel exists. If you found this information to be at all helpful, be sure to like this video. It's an easy way to support this channel. I'd love to hear from you. What essential oils would you like to learn about next? Drop them in the comments and we'll make videos about them. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more tips and discussions on essential oils, natural remedies, and holistic wellness. Thanks for watching to the end. See you next time. Check out one of these videos if you would like to see more of our content.